How to use compression in Soundation. First of all, open your Soundation project and select a track you want to apply compression to. Next, you will find Add Effect with the plus icon. Click on it and choose Compressor from the list. This will add the compressor to your track and it will open its setting panel. You will see several parameters like threshold, ratio, attack, release, and output. Now, adjust the threshold to set the level at which the compressor starts working. If your audio peaks above this level, the compressor will kick in and reduce the volume. Set the ratio to control how much compression is applied. Then, tweak the attack time to decide how quickly the compressor responds once the signal crosses the threshold. A shorter attack time can make the sound punchy, while a longer one can preserve the initial transient. After that, adjust the release time to control how quickly the compressor stops compressing after the signal drops below the threshold. A smooth release helps avoid sudden volume changes. Finally, use the output to boost the output volume after compression, since compression often reduces the overall loudness of the track. And that's it. Now you know how to use compression in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.